Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good and staying safe and healthy during this complicated time. I miss you all and I can't wait to see you again. Today I'll be doing a demonstration of weather, and since today is super windy, let's determine what direction the wind is blowing by making a wind vane. Before we can start this, we gotta ask ourselves, well, what is weather? Well, weather describes the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere, whether that's hot or cold, cloudy or sunny, raining or snowing, lightning, thunder, windy like today, or even a tornado. You have experienced weather your entire life, even if you didn't know it. Depending on the weather, you're able to do different things. For example, you could fly a kite, you could play in the snow, you could jump in rain puddles, or just playing outside in the hot summer heat. Wind is a movement of air from the uneven heating of the earth from the sun. Now that you know that, let's start this experiment. For this experiment, you will need a few simple household items, but some of the items are sharp, so ask your parents or siblings for help. For this experiment, you will need some scissors, some tape, a couple rocks, maybe more than two, depending on it, a cup, a straw, a needle, a marker, a plate, and some cardboard or construction paper, or just a couple layers of paper. Again, please be careful working with some of these materials because they make it hurt you. So we are going to start by taking your scissors and cutting just a triangle. And set that down. Then we're going to cut the tail of the wind vane. Like this. And you can so this is mine, this is the tail, this is the front. What you're going to do is take a little bit of tape What you're going to do is you're going to take your straw, you're going to, it's bendy when you got to cut this off. When you do that, come right here and just tape it on there. This is the arrow for our wind vane. Take a little bit of tape. Tape it on like so. And there's your arrow for it. you're going to take your plate and so you get your plate and you're going to divide it into 4 parts. One will be north, south, east, and west. You will also need a compass, or if your phone or tablet or anything has a compass, you can use that. And you're going to take your scissors and put just a small hole in the bottom of the cup. The purpose of the rocks in this experiment are to weight down the wind vane from flying away. So you put your pencil through your hole and this is where the rocks come in. You're going to put the rock, just a couple in here to help keep it still. I might have had too many. When you get here, and you need to push the pencil in the plate a little bit. You're going to want to put some tape on the sides of the cup to keep it stuck. Alright, now when you're here, you're going to take your arrow and right in the middle to where you want it to be sitting like this. You're going to take your needle, get someone to help you with this, because it's sharp. You're going to poke it through. Just like so. You're going to take it and you're going to stick it into the tip of your eraser. And if you'll notice, it can spin. There we go. Alright, now we're ready for the next part of the experiment. Alright, for this next part of the experiment, you're going to take your compass. I have mine on my phone. in your wind vane, you're going to look for the north and do it with your wind vane. And once you get there, you can see which way it is blowing. So today, the wind is blowing southeast. We know that because on our plate, we have northeast, south, and west. And it's blowing mostly east, but sometimes it'll move towards the south.